The island of Cyprus is situated in the eastern Mediterranean and, for centuries, has been the crossroads between Africa, Europe and the Middle East. Countless civilizations and cultures have come and gone down the centuries, each one leaving its indelible imprint on the island. Cyprus today is a vibrant modern island populated by two communities, the Greek and Turkish Cypriots. Arucad, the Arkin University of Creative Arts and Design, is situated in the coastal town of Girne on the Mediterranean coast. The university, in an open call to artists, designers, architects and creative minds from all artistic fields and genres, is proud to announce the Arkin Award. The project is for a site-specific permanent work, at least 40 meters in height, to be constructed in an elevated mountain location overlooking the town of Girne and the Mediterranean coastline. The selected project is envisaged as boldly utilising the location in an installation that will permanently receive visitors as a significant local tourist attraction.